Hi, and welcome to Window Cleaning Dude. In today's episode, we're going to talk about keeping good records. So if you're new to window cleaning and business in general, or if you've been a window cleaner for a while, you need to make sure that you're keeping good records. Now there's two main reasons why you want to keep good records. The first let's talk about is dealing with taxes and the IRS. You want to be able to show where that money's coming from, and that this is a legitimate income source coming in. And then it also kind of helps keep track of how much money you made, from who, and where you made it from. So that leads me to the second part, which is that keeping track of your customers is always very important. You want to have all their information. You want to know, their name, their phone number, if you can, their email address, their regular address. You want to have notes on how the job went, how many windows did you clean, how much you made, if they gave you a tip. You want to just keep as many notes as possible so that if they are a repeat customer in the future, you can also know, how long it's going to take you to clean the job, right? Once you've been cleaning for a while, doing window cleaning for a while, just based on the window count alone, you're typically going to know how long a house is going to take you. That just starts to become second nature. You're going to want to know, did they have skylights? Did they have French pane? Did they have louvered windows? What were some of the challenges there? And were they, good to work with? Were they kind of difficult to work with? So it's nice to keep all those kind of notes. I always keep all those notes in a record. I usually just use an Excel spreadsheet, and then I'll just have my fields, right? Like their name, their address, how many windows, their phone number, their price, and then at the end I have my notes section because that's always super long and I'm typing in these really long notes. So it's always good to have that record. Then you can reflect back on it, and that will also help you plan your day if it is a repeat customer, or if it's a customer that has some questions, they weren't sure about something that maybe you might have taken notes on. You can refer to your notes. You could discuss payment, for instance. If it's somebody that you've had to invoice, you can keep track of that there. You can be like, here's somebody that still owes me. And you can keep records on how often you've contacted them, when you've contacted them, all that kind of thing, in case you ever have to send it to collections. So it's just always good to have a record of your customer and everything you can think of about that customer and have those in your notes. That's just going to make your business run that much more smoothly. Now, the other nice thing about having these records is not only for scheduling needs for the future, but also if you ever decide to sell your business, which window cleaners do, so window cleaners will sell their business, you have a whole customer base there, and notes and prices and everything else. So if at some point in the future you do sell your business, you want to get out of the business, maybe you've been in for 10, 20 years and or however long, right? At some point everybody's going to stop window cleaning at some point. I don't imagine you're going to clean into the grave, and if you don't scale your business, isn't just you, at some point you're going to want to get out of the business. And so it's always nice to have that huge customer list and base that you could then sell your business and then make more money. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found some information here that was useful. Pretty short video, but nevertheless, please give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also hit that subscribe button, let me know I'm doing a good job here, let YouTube know I'm doing a good job, and also you can be a part of this window cleaning community here on YouTube. I'd greatly appreciate that. Also comment down below on anything else you want to know more about. Visit windowcleaningdude.com, where you can find everything that I have to offer you for free. You can find there how to start your business and run your business, how to learn window cleaning, how to learn how to use all the tools, what list of tools you need to buy, where you can buy them, step-by-step guide. Everything is there for you for free. It's basically a free franchise. And I will see you in the next episode.